In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide elements on Wix. Whether you're looking to simplify your website's design or want to ensure that certain elements are only visible on specific devices, knowing how to hide elements can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and learn how to do this effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open your Wix website editor, which can be done by heading over to the Wix editor on your chosen browser. Once you're logged into your Wix account, select the website you want to work on from your dashboard. Here I'll be using a site named Another Clothing as an example. This will take us directly to the website editor where we can start working our magic to hide those elements. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to switch to mobile view. You can easily do this by clicking on the mobile icon in the editor's top menu. This is a crucial step if you are aiming to control the appearance of elements specifically on mobile devices. Remember, elements that look great on a desktop might sometimes appear bulky or unnecessary on a smaller screen, so this functionality is perfect for managing such cases. With the mobile view activated, you can now select the element you wish to hide. Simply navigate through your page and click on the item or section that you don't want to be visible. Be attentive to select the right element, as this selection is what we'll be modifying in the next step. Wix makes it easy to identify elements with its intuitive click and select method, so you shouldn't face any hindrances here. After selecting your desired element, you'll see options that appear on the screen. Look for the button labelled Highlight and give it a click. This option will present you with more detailed settings related to that specific element, enhancing your control over its visibility. Inside the highlight settings, you'll find various options, including the toggle switch or checkbox to hide the element, typically labelled as Hide on Mobile or something similar. Activating this feature will instantly hide the element from the mobile version of your site. It's a handy way to streamline your mobile design without deleting elements entirely. Remember, this change only affects the mobile version, so if you want it hidden on desktop or tablet views as well, you'll need to adjust those settings separately. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to hide elements on your Wix site, specifically for mobile view. These steps can be a game changer, especially when optimizing your site's mobile interface. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing!